Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be focusing on Fiverr, how to invite a friend, and both of you will get a discount of $100. So Fiverr has a referral program where once you are able to invite through social media, either Facebook or Twitter, you type somebody's email with the authorization that like I registered this person, and it can say registered. So this is a friend of mine. I invited them to Fiverr. You are told to spread the word by their email with your link on with your link of their social media. Once your friends sign up for Fiverr, they get 10 off the first discount purchase. Then you this is for the the referrer. You will also get a 10% off the first order of their first order up to $100. So the terms are this way. This way they say that in Fiverr there is the referrer and the referral. So once I refer, now I have referred this person. Once they come and make a purchase of $100, I'll be able to get $100. So we'll go to the other end and we'll be able to search for. We can say 10% discount on the first order at checkout. We'll be able to type and find the what we wanted. What service we wanted is that we wanted an online guru, and this is the guy that will be hiring, Brian 1996. He says that he'll provide services like legal contracts, legal agreements, and legal documents. So this is the lawyer that we are going to hire. So they have experience in drafting and writing from scratch on legal documents. So what we'll do, we'll come. This is our chat with it. I said that I'm an online guru lawyer. I'm looking for an online guru lawyer to give me legal consultation now that I have to break up with my first wife, whom we have had businesses together, and marry a second lady that I love. So the issue is about marriage issues. I need a lawyer who will advise me, who will be able to review my agreements with my first wife, and also we had business partnership with also that first wife, and also we will be able to advise on the way forward because my first wife has 2 kids and the second one has also other 2 kids. We agreed. The lawyer said that they'll draft a marriage petition, and that was it. We agreed $100. That was the payment. So I will provide legal services like legal consultation or agreement on legal documents. That is what the lawyer says. So we say I need it in the next 5 hours. I'll be able to say continue. Once I click the continue button, I'll get the page where I'm supposed to make the payment. Mind you, this is the same email address. This is the same email address that had been referred, and it is registered. We want to confirm that once this person makes a payment of $100, both of your friend gets you both will get up to 100% will get up to 100% dollars. So what will happen is that I will not be using credit card. I'll come and use PayPal. Once I use PayPal, and I also tell you to remember future payments. It tells me make a PayPal checkout. This is where I'm making my PayPal checkout. So it tells me enter your PayPal email address or phone number. Let me enter it. So this is the information from Fiverr. I'm to pay an amount of 106. I'll say agree and make it pay. Once I say that, I know it will be processing. This is the check I'm supposed to. Yeah, it tells me we are working just a second. So initially, the security of the account is important. We recommend you complete a phone. It tells me thank you for your purchase. Submit the requirement and start your order. So I should provide my requirements. As I said, the requirements that I'm supposed to submit is I'm supposed to submit my whole story, saying that I'm looking for an online guru who will be able to give me legal advice about my wife. I parting with my first wife and marrying the second wife. The first wife was a business partner that we started from scratch. We don't want to break any business partnership, but we want to break up the marriage partnership. So I've written the whole story. This information I provide is accurate. Any changes will require the seller approval and may be subjected to addition cost. I say okay. I say start the order. Once I say start the order, I can see, so we can see that the total price, the agreed total price as per the offer that I sent was $112. But since this he was given 10 or 10, he was given a discount of 10%, and that is why you're finding me that I'm checking out a bill of 106. 106, since for Fiverr, once once the lawyer or the seller emails the buyer $112. They are supposed to pay $112 and some Fiverr charges which will accumulate to almost $120. So $120 the bonus was given, and that is why you're finding me paying a bill of 106. So that it means what Fiverr had said, getting 10 of the discount on the first order has been implemented. If you find the tutorial successful, ensure you leave a thumbs up and and then leave your comment for YouTube algorithm to recommend my content to more people. I can say your order now is at work. We notified Brand 1996 about your order, so we'll be waiting for him to complete. So the demonstration of the tutorial was majorly about that 10% discount. So we'll come here and we don't have the access of brand. We are waiting for a brand to deliver. So what we were talking about, to invite a friend and get 100% off discount. So we'll come here and review the terms. This is the registered email address. We are told that Fiverr that is the Fiverr program. It tells me you will get a 10 discount on the first purchase on Fiverr, capped at $100 and above. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. This is lifestyle tutorials. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.